Welcome to南熱海 Quan Zhuang Ocean View Hotspring Villa, where a truly exceptional Japanese escape awaits. For effortless booking and further details, please scan the QR code displayed on screen or consult the description below. Perched in the captivating coastal town of Atami, this 4-star haven embodies tranquility, offering an experience designed to rejuvenate the soul. Imagine waking each morning to panoramic ocean vistas, a promise of serenity throughout your stay. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to ensure your utmost comfort and pleasure. Here, the essence of Japanese hospitality is beautifully realized, offering a sanctuary of refined elegance. Each villa boasts luxurious appointments, seamlessly blending modern convenience with traditional charm. Your senses will be immediately soothed by the harmonious design and the breathtaking natural beauty that surrounds you. Savor the exclusive pleasures of a hot tub, a private oasis where you can soak in the therapeutic, naturally heated waters, all while absorbing stunning ocean views. Enjoy the convenience of complimentary parking, a dedicated desk for your workspace, and even in-room laundry facilities, ensuring a seamless and effortless experience. Families are warmly embraced at南熱海 Quan Zhuang, with children aged 0 to 1 welcomed free of charge. Create cherished memories together in this idyllic setting, creating a perfect backdrop, whether you're seeking a romantic retreat or a rejuvenating family vacation. Allow us to take your cares away, leaving you to simply embrace the exquisite offerings of Atami. We invite you to begin planning your unforgettable experience today. For reservations and more, remember that QR code, where your dream escape is just a scan away.